Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here I'm going to show you how to connect your Shopify store to Instagram shop. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're wondering or you're targeting here to connect your Shopify store to your Instagram shop, there are going to be a few things that you need to do here. So in this case, I'm assuming you already set up your Instagram shop here and you just need to connect them. Now the thing with Shopify here, in order for you to proceed with the connection, you need to make sure that your Instagram shop is connected to a Facebook page, which in this case, you need to use that as the means of connecting to Shopify. So in this case, what you need to do is you first need to go ahead and go to business.facebook.com, and you want to go and access the actual page that you want to connect. So in this case, you can go and create your own, but I have my own here. Let's go and go there. And in this case, what you need to do is you just need to click on connect Instagram, click on log in into Instagram, and just click on continue, and just basically choose your Instagram account here, or basically log in into your Instagram account. Now, once you've done that, this should connect your two accounts here for your Facebook account and your Instagram account. Now, once you've done that, let's go ahead and head over into Shopify. Now, with Shopify here, what you need to do is you need to basically install an app in order for you to make the connection. So in this case, at the bottom left, you want to go and click on settings, and you want to go to apps and sales channel and click on the Shopify app store at the very top right. Now from here, what we need to do is we want to go ahead and basically go to search apps, guides, and more. Just type in Facebook and Instagram, press enter. You should be able to see a bit of number of apps here that you could use. So we have InstaShop, Instagram, and Facebook. So there are going to be a lot of apps that you could choose from here. So let's go and choose InstaShop, Instagram, and Facebook. Click on it. Click on install. Now, the great thing about this app here, you can actually use this for free. So there are Shopify post scheduler, but if you want to basically get more out of it, you could go ahead and get the Pro Plus or Super here, which enables you to basically post autopilot, scheduler, Instagram. And in this case, what we need to do is we just need to click on install. And once you've done that, it's going to redirect you to the homepage of that specific app. Now, from here, what we need to do is you need to just basically click on continue to free plan. But again, if you want to use the available Pro Plus Super here, you could use their 5-day free trial. So you can click continue free plan. Now, in here, what we need to do is we just need to follow the setup guide here. So first is you need to connect your socials. Like what I said before, you need to connect your Instagram and your Facebook account. You go and click on it. You could go and click on go. So connect your socials account. So in this case, as you can see, we have Instagram account here, Facebook account. So you go and click on connect Instagram. It's going to say, make sure your Instagram account is on professional account. Otherwise, turn it into one first. Click for more details. So in this case, again, make sure you have a professional account. Click on connect Instagram. Once you've done that, you just need to log in here in order for you to connect your account. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.